Hello family, how are you guys doing? Well, today I'm going to be sharing, um, I am going to prepare some zucchini and spiralize it to make it some noodles because I made some chili yesterday and I'm going to just put the chili on top of my zucchini noodles. So what I'm showing you right here is my spiralizer. They have this thing has like 4 different cuts, thick, thick, the slender one, then another thick one, but I'm going to use this size today. And just sharing my little spiralizer. I think I got this on Amazon. It's been a while, I'm not really sure anymore. But anyway, I'm going to get started and spiralize my noodles, and then I'll show you the finished product when I top my veggie noodles with my um, chili. Alright, that's the meal for today. Greedy lady, healthier meal for today. Alright, I'll be back. Okay family, I'm back with my meal prepared. Like I said, I have yesterday I made some chili, and today I have put the chili on top of my zucchini noodles. As you can see, I'm trying to get the light right. Oh man. As you can see, um, I have zucchini noodles, and I have my chili on top, and I put some wait, I have to do it because you couldn't get on there. Sorry guys. But anyway, I have some chili on top of my zucchini noodles. I made them kind of smaller so they will be like the thin spaghetti noodles. And I put a couple of olives on top of the chili. And I have my sliced lemon and limes for seasoning. And I have a tomato, olive, grape salad drizzled with olive oil. And this is today's Greedy Lady Healthier Diet meal. Hope you enjoy, family. I'll let you know, but I know it's tasty because I made the chili yesterday. This is find the beans if you can chili, because I really didn't put a lot of beans because beans, my goodness, beans are a gassy food for some of us. But I didn't get gas the other day because I really don't have a lot of beans in here. I like the chili. And the beans are hard to find. They're in there. But it's not very many, which I like. But anyway, guys, I'm probably going to do another update on my herb propagated plants and let you guys see what's happening. Alright, so right now I'm about to enjoy this meal. Once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget, take under consideration to watch this video more than 2 minutes or you will go to spam, and spam will not be in the comment section. Okay, so do us all a favor, watch mine, and I'm definitely watching yours. You don't have to, but family, thank you for all your support, and all my YouTube supporters, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, the herb propagation update. These plants have taken because they didn't die. So look at the oregano down there. It's taken. I'm going to remove the little dry pieces, but it took. And this one took too. So everything is fine. One piece did die, you can see it. But it's okay. Here go the mamas. This is the big sweet mint. This mint smells so good. The darker mint, this is the lighter mint. The pieces I broke off, each one of these, and then my other one I broke off from. And a little update on these leaves, they're still doing good. This one is so cute. Look at the burl's tail. The rosetta, I just poked that in there, that baby just took off. My propagating is doing okay. Some plants love me, some don't. But it's doing great. My propagation, look at that rosetta. I just poked this stuff in the dirt and it just takes off. I cut this jade plant back and look, them 1,000 mama plants just fall everywhere. Look at all them little babies in there. This plant here, I cut some off to propagate. It's doing all right, but look, this one had all them funny spots. I moved it to a different spot and I just set it back down here. Some of the leaves started turning a burgundy color, so I don't know, maybe that was what it was. It needed pruning, removing some excess leaves. We shall soon see later. And this one, that plant right there, I just poked this in there. Look, that one, this one right here has set itself and it's growing. Look at the little baby rosettes down there. See them? I'm going, this plant, okay, the camera cut off, but that's it. I'm just going to share this a little bit and come back later. Oh, this is a piece of mint right here I got in here with the oregano plant that's taking off pretty good. Look how dark it is, rich dark. And that's the little mint. So everything's pretty good. Look at all them baby 1,000 mama plants. Alright, that's it. See y'all in a minute.